One of the main reasons customers come to us for their DAM solution is for digital asset management, of course. But high up on their list is also digital asset transformations. Whether you're transforming assets for Amazon, Shopify, or a major distributor, going through the process of transforming your assets manually can be extremely time-consuming. The best digital asset management solutions on the market today are ones that prioritize transformations and syndication. Let's break down the 4 main benefits of choosing a digital asset management solution that prioritizes transformation and syndication. Number 1 is transformed and ready to go. A DAM solution that is pre-built for syndication will have preset transformations. When an image is uploaded, all the useful, necessary, and desired transformations are already pre-generated. This leads to readily available digital assets for all syndication needs, from websites to marketplaces. The best DAM software solutions on the market today should include the following digital asset transformation tools: downsizing, upsizing, padding, keeping proportionality, and output formats based on input. For example, when a user uploads an image in PNG format with a transparent background, the export also needs to be in PNG format with a transparent background. This results in pre-approved images that are ready to download for admins and other teams. Plus, URLs are also included in PIM exports. Number 2, transformation is based on a formula for syndication. Not only do the uploaded images need to be transformed, but the images need to be transformed based on a formula. So every time new images are uploaded, the transformation is automatically applied. Number 3 is transformation on self-service portals. Using a self-service brand portal, end users of your digital assets, such as your shareholders, the sales team, customer success, or your distribution customers, can download digital assets in the format that they need. This cuts out the marketing team as the middleman for digital asset requests and empowers your sales teams, shareholders, and your customers to use your pre-approved images in a way that's easy for them. Number 4 is transformation on the fly for API. Using an API to connect your DAM solution to Shopify or Amazon or other major distributors can allow for images to be transformed on demand when invoked through a pull model. This saves you from having to export images and re-upload them to their desired destination, which, as you know, can take lots of time and effort. Discover what makes CADSy the best digital asset management software for transformations and syndication. Request a live demo with us at cadsy.com. Let's go.